Good morning, good morning. Today is Friday morning and welcome back to Annie's Tour the Explorer, and today we're gonna talk about the unboxing of my new AirPod. I got my new AirPod this week, so I only get a chance to open it today because it's been a very busy week. So guys, are you excited? I'm gonna start opening it. For those of you, by the way, that are watching me for the first time, this is Annie. I am the owner of this YTC Annie's Tour the Explorer. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos na aking i-upload. So ayan guys, we are opening it. Ayan, I am super excited. I used to have an headset, but I thought AirPods will be very comfy for me because sometimes the wire, it get really tangled and it pisses me off. So ayan, I decided to get me one of this. So ayan, it's so cute. Ay, this is so cool. Look at that, guys. Aww. Ayan. Ta-da! This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. Guys. This is so cute. Okay, so this is for the right ear. And this is for the left one. Ah, this feels so comfy. Oh, I was afraid because one of a friend of mine told me that she used to have one of this, and she said it hurts her a lot, or she's not very comfortable using it. So I was really hesitating to have one, and I thought, why do I feel, so I got one, and here it is. It's not really, it doesn't bother me at all, and it feels so comfortable. So I don't think, maybe some of us having this feeling that it hurts our ears or it's not really comfortable, but for me, it feels so comfy. So guys, I am ready already to use this, and I'm gonna keep it for now because we're gonna travel tomorrow, and I'm gonna take this with me for me to not to bring my other headset. So this is so cute. And since I'm using Apple, I have an iPhone, so it really fits. So okay, what else do we have in here? They have all these instructions and everything. Okay, to connect to iPhone with the latest version of iOS, follow steps 1 to 3. Okay, so I'll work this out later, but it's ready for me to use tomorrow. So they have all this, guys. They have all the instructions in here. So voila, got my very own AirPod. AirPod, yeah. So cute. So I'm just gonna take the charger with me because I'm using the same Apple charger. So excited. So ayan guys. So what else do I need to say? I am very happy to have my brand new AirPod, and very excited to start using this. And for those of you that are watching, I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not connected with me yet. And of course, don't forget to click that notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga upcoming videos ko na i-upload. So, ayan guys, Annie's Tour the Explorer is signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.